Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for August 25th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Numbered Rooms Sudoku by Bill Murphy. We have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3 by 3 box. Additionally, we have some clues outside the grid, and they indicate a digit which is in the nth cell away from the clue, where n is the first digit. So I'm just going to go ahead and solve this cell. This clue is a 9. It's telling us that 9 must appear in the nth cell. Well, n is 2 in this case. 9 is in the second cell. So if 9 is in the second cell, that means the first digit away from the 9 is a 2. So that's how that works. Those are the rules. And Bill has given us a lot that we can just fill in. So we will do that. A little bit of symmetry here. This 3 is also resolved. The 5 and the 6 are not resolved yet. We'll have to come back to those. We do know there's a 5 in one of these cells. Can the 5 be here? So this is a little numbered rooms trick. You can't put the digit of the clue in the first cell unless it's a 1. That's the only time you can do that. If we put a 5 here, it would be saying 5 is in the 5th cell, so we would need 2 5s. So this is our 5 in that row. We have 1, 5, 9 in the column, 9 and 5 in the box. So these are 5 and 9. Same in this column. So these are 1 and 5, and we have a 5 here. So that's going to resolve the rest of the column. Where do we want to look next? We're going to have an 8 in one of these cells. Just going to go ahead and mark 4 in one of these cells, 6 in one of these cells, 7 can go in any of these. Not very resolved yet. Not 5. 4. These are even less resolved. I'm not going to bother with that yet. 5 in this box goes here. These are 1, 2, 3, 7. 9 is in one of these cells. And in one of these cells. So we have a little, not exactly X-wing, but it gets called an X-wing sometimes. 9 is limited to these 2 rows in columns 3 and 7. So 9 can't go in the remaining cells in these rows. The logic is the same as an X-wing, but you can see it another way. 9 can't go here or here, so the only places for 9 in this row are in these cells. Those are equivalent. So let's see. 1 goes in one of these cells. Oh, we have a 5 here now, so this is 6. Doesn't immediately give us too much. Let's think about where this 5 can go. There's probably some basic Sudoku that I'm missing, but we'll look at this now. This cell can't be 2 or 3 because 5 can't go in the second or third position. So it is 6, 7, or 8. Which means it is in one of these. It can't be in the 7th position either. So it's in one of these. We can't resolve that now. 5 goes, actually we can by Sudoku. This is 5. Like I said, probably missing some basic Sudoku. So that's an 8. Even if that hadn't been there, that would have given us a triple in row 1, which would have gotten us a little something. This is not 4. These are 1, 3, and 7, which are resolved with the 3s and the 7. These are 2, 6, 9. 7 goes down here in this box. 1's in one of those. 8's in one of those. Let's go ahead and mark these. 6 or 9, 2 or 9, 6, 2, 6, and 9. These are 9 in this row. We've got 9s here. These are 1, 2, 8, and they're not 2, so this is the 2, this is the 1, and this is the 8. These are 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 4, 8. So 2 goes there. That's not 8 either, so it's like that. This is our 4. 1, 3, 7 here. Still haven't resolved the 9s, have we? Six and 8 in these cells somewhere. We got the 2 here, so that's resolving this. That is not 9 or 1, so this is 1, 9 like that, with a 4 there. This is 8 and 6. 2 and 6 in the row. 8 goes here. This is 2. We need a 4, 1, 3, 1. And then to finish off, we're going to have a set. Oh, not a 7. 7 here, 9, and 3. That's the solution. Cool puzzle by Bill. Yeah. Most of that was, the variant was quickly resolved, but there was a little thinking to do up at the top. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Curious construction with all the 9s, 5s, and 3s. There might be some reason for that. But I hope you enjoyed it as well. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.